Hello and a hearty welcome everyone. I'm Josh and I'm thrilled to be your navigator on this entrepreneurial journey about how to start an LLC in Rhode Island. If you're brimming with brilliant business ideas and ready to bring them to life, you've hit the jackpot with this guide. We'll break down the LLC formation process into bite-sized, manageable steps, transforming complexity into clarity. It's time to put on your entrepreneurial hat now, so let's get the wheels of your business dream in motion. Before we roll up our sleeves and delve into the nitty-gritty, let's address a key decision point. Going solo or using an LLC formation service. If you're new to the business terrain or just prefer the extra support, an LLC formation service is a lifeline, streamlining the process, ensuring adherence to Rhode Island's regulations, and granting you that coveted and coveted peace of mind. And it won't break the bank either. Sneak a peek at the video description for a link to a top-tier LLC formation service that offers a seamless start with minimal financial strain. Now, with that decision out of the way, let's march ahead and get right onto unraveling the steps of forming your LLC in Rhode Island with precision and savvy. Step 1. Name your Rhode Island LLC. Embarking on the entrepreneurial journey and starting your business is an exciting move. The initial and crucial step involves picking a name. This isn't just any ordinary name, but one that embodies your brand's identity and is memorable to your audience. Think of your business name as more than just a tag on a t-shirt. It's the initial handshake with your audience. In Rhode Island, ensure your chosen name is distinct and concludes with LLC, L.L.C. or Limited Liability Company. Already have a few names in mind? Well, you're a step ahead. Your next action now is to verify their availability. You can do this easily by visiting the Rhode Island Secretary of State's website. For your convenience, we've included the link in the video description below. Once you've settled on the perfect name, act fast and don't wait around. You've got to secure this online or through mail. This might incur a small fee, but consider it a foundational investment in your business venture. Step 2. Select a registered agent. In Rhode Island, every LLC must appoint a registered agent. Think of them as your business's official representative, there to really catch all the important stuff, the legal documents, tax notices, and other official correspondence. They're your front line in staying compliant with state laws. So, who can be your registered agent for your LLC? Good news! You, as an LLC member, can take on this role, or an individual who is not a member or a professional agency can also serve as the registered agent for your LLC. They must be 18 years or older, have a physical address in Rhode Island, be available during regular business hours, and if it's a business entity, it must be registered to operate in Rhode Island. Choosing the right registered agent is crucial. They ensure you never miss a beat on important information and help keep your business in compliance with the law. Need help finding one? Well, don't you worry, because we've got you covered. Check out the video description below for a list of the very best registered agent services here in Rhode Island. Step 3. Determine your management structure. In the world of LLCs, there are two main management styles: member managed and manager managed. Think of it as choosing between a hands-on DIY project or hiring a contractor. In a member managed LLC, it's all about teamwork. The members, that's you and your partners, really roll up your sleeves and manage the day-to-day operations. It's perfect for smaller crews where everyone wants a say in how things are running. Then there's the manager managed LLC. This is where you bring in the pros, the non-member employees or managers who will then handle the day-to-day operations. It's like having a dedicated captain, ahoy there, for your ship. And yes, a member can also be a manager, but they'll need to collaborate with at least one non-member manager. Small team with everyone involved, well, the member managed might just be your jam. Larger group with some preferring just to stay in the background, then the manager managed could just be your best bet. In Rhode Island, your LLC is automatically member managed unless you specify otherwise in your articles of organization. So think carefully about what works best for your particular business. Step 4. File articles of organization with the Rhode Island Department of State. Now we're getting somewhere, and we're getting to the exciting part, making your LLC official in Rhode Island. This is done by filing the Articles of Organization with the Rhode Island Department of State. This document is the cornerstone of your LLC and will be providing the state with essential information about your business, so it must go correctly. In your Articles of Organization, you'll need to include vital details such as the name of your LLC, its principal office address, and the name and address of your registered agent in Rhode Island. This document is more than just a piece of paperwork. It's the formal recognition for your business's structure and existence. You can file the Articles of Organization online or by mail. The Rhode Island Department of State provides an online filing option, which is often the fastest and most convenient method. The filing fee for the Articles of Organization must be paid at the time of submission though, so keep that in mind. Once you've filed your Articles of Organization and they're approved, your LLC will be officially recognized by the state of Rhode Island. It's a moment to really celebrate your business idea because it is now legally recognized as an entity ready to operate and grow. Step 5. Draft an LLC operating agreement. The next step is to create an operating agreement. Think of the operating agreement as the rulebook for your LLC. It's where you outline who does what, who gets what, and how decisions are made. Now, while Rhode Island doesn't require you to have one, trust me, you're going to want one. It's like having a game plan for your business. Even if you're flying solo in your LLC, an operating agreement can be your legal safeguard, clarifying your operations and protecting your interests. Need help getting started? Well, we've got your back. Check out the free operating agreement template in the video description. It's really a great starting point, but remember, one size doesn't fit all in business. You might need to tweak it to fit your unique situation. Step 6. Get an employer identification number. Now it's time to get your business its own identity in the eyes of the IRS. That's right, we're talking about getting an employer identification number, or also known as an EIN. The EIN is a unique identifier the IRS uses for everything tax related for your business. Whether it's filing taxes, opening a new bank account, or handling payroll, your EIN is your go-to number. So how do you get this number? Well, it's simple and free. Head over to the IRS website and apply for it. It's a very straightforward online process, so don't worry. Step 7. Obtain business licenses and permits. Your business needs its own set of licenses to legally operate. These licenses vary based on your location, the type of business that you're actually running, and the services you offer. Navigating the world of business licenses might sound a little bit daunting, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it first seems. You'll need to check with your local and state government in Rhode Island to see what specific licenses and permits your LLC requires. These can range from a general business license to more specific permits like health licenses for restaurants or zoning permits if you're operating from a physical location. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a comprehensive guide on how to obtain business licenses in Rhode Island. Step 8. Choose your tax status. An LLC offers flexibility in how you can be taxed, and this decision can significantly impact your finances. You can choose to be taxed as a default LLC, a C corporation, or an S corporation. By default, LLCs are considered disregarded entities for tax purposes. This means the business itself doesn't pay taxes. Instead, the profits and losses pass through to your personal tax return. It's straightforward and often beneficial for smaller businesses. Want something a bit different? Well, you can opt for your LLC to be taxed as a C corporation. This means the company itself pays corporate taxes. While it can mean more paperwork, it might suit you if you plan to reinvest the profits back into the business or go public in the near future. Or you can choose the S corporation status. This can offer tax benefits like avoiding double taxation on dividends, but it comes with restrictions on the number and type of shareholders. Choosing the right tax status is crucial, but can be complex. It's worth discussing with a tax professional to understand the implications for your specific business situation. And voila! Just like that, you've done it. Congratulations, your Rhode Island LLC is now officially formed. You've navigated the twists and turns of the LLC journey, from choosing a unique name to selecting the perfect tax status. As we close the chapter out now, remember that forming your LLC is just the beginning. Ahead of you lies the adventure of growing your business, making your mark, and achieving your entrepreneurial dreams. If you found this video useful, then please do show the love. Hit that like button, subscribe for more videos on this channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Your support means the world to us, and it does help us bring content just like this to aspiring entrepreneurs just like you. Stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights into the world of business. I'll see you on the next one.